Welcome to Khetz tutorials, and in this video I'll be doing question 14 from 1.4 exercises in James Stewart calculus. So we have this, and we're going to start with e, which is a function that we know. So e would look like this, crosses there at 1. This is y equals e to the x. Now we have y to the power the absolute value of x. That means that we only consider the portion where e has or uses positive x values, which is this portion on this side. And after considering that portion, we're going to reflect it about the y-axis. So it would look like this. So that's what this means. When we have this, it means we're only going to consider positive x values, and we're going to reflect that about the y-axis to get the full graph that we have. And in contrast, if we had the absolute value of this, which is the whole function, as you can see, e already has positive y values. So it only has positive y values. It wouldn't really make a difference. It wouldn't make a change, and it would just stay as it is. But now that the absolute value has been applied to the x up there, this means that we're only going to consider positive x values, and we're going to reflect that on this side over here.